Hi, this is Don Gaden with Husband and Chino. Today I'm going to cover assigning training to a work group. So here you can see we're in the training management module. We've clicked on the tab for training courses. You can see a couple of the courses that we've already developed. The document control training course that we done late last year and a couple that we've done this year. The focus is going to be on the work groups. You can see I've already developed some work groups. We have one for Chino managers, supervisors, receiving leads, and income and inspection. You can assign training to any one of these groups very quickly. To actually create a work group, it's very easy. Just hit add entry right here, give it a name, and then I usually just copy this work group name and paste it here and keep the three the same. I'm not going to do that for this exercise. But let's pop into the Chino Supervisor work group and just take a look at that. So here you can see Chino Supervisors where I copied and made all three of them the same. Once the work group is created, you can assign employees to a work group. So you just hit add entry here, and you can assign any employee to the work group. You could search out the name. This is kind of why we did the configurable reports, to be able to segregate the different supervisors and the different leads and managers. And we set up the employees the way we did so that we could quickly run those reports and see who needed to be populated in these work groups. Here you can see that you can assign courses to a work group. So I'm just going to go back and take a look at these. So again, these are the different work groups that we've created. So if I had a training course that all the managers needed to take, say once a year, I could set that course up. I could have videos in the course. I could have documents from the document control module attached into the course. One of the cool features is that if you have an important document that needs to be trained on as soon as that document gets revised, you can set that up so that when the document gets revised, anyone that's been assigned training to that particular document will automatically receive a new training task. So there's a couple of different ways you can think about assigning training to work groups. One is that it just makes it quick and easy to be able to assign training to, say, all supervisors. So you have all your supervisors here and you just assign a training course. For instance, I can add any training course that we would like. So if I wanted to assign all the supervisors this document control training course, I could just do that, hit select, and it will automatically add that and automatically send them the task. The other way to think about this is that if you were to set up work groups by departments like receiving or income and inspection, then you could assign the training that is needed for that entire department all into one training class, and then assign the employees to that particular work group, and the training would be automatic. If an employee were to complete all of the training for that particular department or work group and move on to another one, say from income and inspection to receiving, then as soon as you put that employee into the new work group, all of the new training requirements would automatically be assigned to that particular employee. So work groups make it very easy to assign training. And again, you could assign any type of training. You could do any type of documents, videos, whatever you want to put in there. Going back to the training courses, I just want to show real quick, if we pop into this document control training course, just want to show the notes in here. We have some pretty extensive notes in here for the training course, which describes what a person would need to do to be able to complete all the training tasks that need to be completed. This particular course has a quiz attached to it, so if a person reviews all of these documents and then they take the quiz, they'll be able to get through that quiz. If you have any questions or concerns, please contact us at the email address or one of the numbers below.